Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix 503 service temporarily unavailable. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here is you need to open up your browser. Then the next step what you need to do here, press on your extensions and then manage extensions and disable all the extensions there that you have, and then look if the problem persists when you restart the browser. If this does not work, then you need to go to and press on the three dots here on the top right. Then you need to go to settings. On settings, you need to go to privacy and security, and then you need to go to third-party cookies. Here, you need to go to sites allowed to use third-party cookies. You need to see all site data and permissions. Then you need to find a specific website where you're getting this error here. So for example, let's go and find youtube.com, and then you just need to press on the bin icon here and delete all the data. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. Restart the app and your problem should be fixed.